Hello students and welcome back. So today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is OpenOffice Impress. Actually it is a presentation tool similar that we have used in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So when you start Impress, the first screen that appears is this. Click on next, again next, and create to get a blank page. Here you can see different tools and portions available in the OpenOffice Impress window. So let's discuss about those. This is the slide pane, means the slides that we have inserted or that we want to insert will be displayed here. This is called the workspace, or here we can design our slides. This is the properties view or the task pane, where we can see different layouts. This is the menu bar, this is the title bar, this is the toolbar available in OpenOffice Impress. We can add more toolbars also. So this is the main window which is available. So here similarly, like PowerPoint, we can create our presentation by inserting many slides one after another. So in this presentation tool, we are working actually with slides. So what are slides? Before understanding the topic, we must know what are slides, what is a presentation, and how does it work. A slide is an actually electronic sheet where we can insert text, media like audio, video, picture. Not only that, we can animate those also to create an interactive representation of those text and the media which is present there. A slideshow is a show or the presentation of the electronic sheets in a computer screen or in a projector device to show a presentation. A presentation is the combination of multiple slides. In case of a slide, there are few elements of a slide. That is, first one is, this is the title, this is the subtitle or the description part. Title displays the title or the heading about the current slide. Here we can write the details or the description about the title, and there are more two elements which can be inserted into a slide, that is drawing objects, that we can draw anything like different shape, line, etc. and clipart and pictures. We can insert clipart and pictures also in the slide. So these are the basic four elements of a slide. Now we'll see how can we create a presentation here. So how can we design a slide? To design a slide, one slide is already inserted, slide 1. So click on title, that is openoffice.org Impress. Here in this portion we are going to add some text like that. OpenOffice Impress is a presentation tool used for creating slideshow. That's all. We can add different shape, different pictures here. From insert menu, we can insert a different picture, we can insert chart, we can insert object, we can insert many things, like so these are the elements we can insert. So after creating this is the simple presentation, we can say. We can add animation also, later we are going to discuss about those. So after adding this, we can save it, file, and go to save option. After clicking on the save option, you can give your desired name, like I am giving the Impress 1. I am giving the name Impress 1 and press enter. As soon as I am pressing the enter, the title bar, in the title bar the title has been changed. Okay, and this is saved. Here is an example of a presentation. I have downloaded it from internet. Here you can see that there are 3 examples given. Sorry, 4 slides are there. In those 4 different slides, different data are present: chart, picture, table, text, everything is present. But actually the reason is that we need to know what are the different views available in OpenOffice Impress. So basically there are 5 views available: normal, outline, notes, handout, slide sorter. Among those, the most commonly used views are normal view and the slide sorter view. Normal view is this, where you can see the list of slides at the left side of the window, and the slide which is selected will be displayed in the work area. Next we come to the slide sorter. If the number of slides are more, then we can use the slide sorter view. So in the slide sorter view, the slides are displayed in this way. So it is much easier to move the slides from one place to another place like this way in the slide sorter view. Another view is handout view. In the handout view, you can see that it is displaying the header, footer, header area, date time, and the footer area, page number, everything. So it is much easier to edit or type this kind of things here. But normally we are working with the normal view. Okay. Now let's create a blank presentation of our first presentation from this blank presentation page. So here this is the blank layout. There are different layouts available. Using these layouts we can do our own work. Like if I click on this template, the template will automatically be applied here. So here you can see it is asked for adding a title. So I am adding a title, that is OpenOffice ORG Impress. So this is our first slide, and in the first slide we are going to apply some animation and some text also here. So this is our first page, or the first you can say first slide. In this first slide we can now add the different type of designs here. To apply different designs, first of all you need to select the text. After selecting, you can change the color of the text from here. If you want to change the color of the selected area, then select the border or select the area by clicking on the border. After clicking on the border, here it is the fill color. I want to put some color, and this is the color I want to put. So this is how you can apply colors. In this slide we can change the background color, we can change the text font, we can apply header, footer, page number, everything. So let's see how to do it. So first, to change the background of this, what we have to do, we have to go to format and go to page. It will take us to the page setup dialog box. In the background it is fill none. We can click on the gradient and we can choose any gradient if you want, any gradient you like, and click on OK. And background setting for all pages, if you want for all pages, click on yes. If you do not want for all pages, click on no. So I just want, there is only one page, I want to apply it, so click on yes, and you can see it is applied there. After that, to change the font of the text, here it is Arial, and there are many other fonts are available. You can choose any font at your wish. Next, to change the header, footer, include the date and time and the page number in a slide. How to do it? we can go to the view tab and go to the header and footer section. In the header and footer, there are few properties have been selected by default, that is date and time. If you want, then give the fixed date and time, like here I am giving, that is 15th of February 2021. In the footer area, you can give the footer text or you can leave it blank. Slide number is not required. Now notes and handouts. In the header area, header text I am giving, that is our school name. Date and time I have already given. In the header area, do you want date and time? No, I do not want, because it is already given at the top. In the footer area, I need the page number, so page number will be selected. You can see as soon as I am clicking on the page number, this portion is activated. That means this portion is meant for page number. You can see this. If I deselect, it is not activated, and if I select, it is activated. So after selecting it, apply to all. As soon as I am clicking on apply to all, you can see the date and time is displaying here. So that means the date and time that I have used, it is already displaying. So this is how we can insert the header and footer in our slides, but in the slide you cannot see those effects, because in slide those are not required. For that you have to go to the notes. In the notes you can see that the header I have entered, that is Sharda Vidya Mandir, it is displaying here, and the page number that I have given, page number is displaying here, and then footer also. So this is how we can insert header and footer in our presentation. We can design this also. In next day's class we will learn how to do animation and how to do the slide show by using different slides. So this is all about today's discussion. So thank you and have a nice day.